Hey good people, welcome back to Ballards by Design. So it's lunchtime again, okay? And I gotta feed my husband and these babies, right? So last week I showed y'all a quick lunch tuna salad. Well, we're gonna follow up with chicken salad. So what I like to do is just take a rotisserie chicken. I got this from Costco, $5, okay? Get y'all some chickens from Costco. Get you a bunch of them and freeze them or whatever you got to do. I just got this one today because we needed to go catch the sail on the water. But anyway, I have my rotisserie chicken. I have 5 eggs because we like ours very eggy. 5 hard-boiled eggs. I have an apple, which gives it a little of sweetness. And then I have my red onion here. And then I'm going to season it just with some salt and pepper. Now, sometimes I give it a little kick and I put a little cayenne in it just to spice it up. And, of course, you know we have to have mayo. And I also have a secret ingredient that I'm going to show y'all, okay? So, hold on. We finna get started. Got my big bowl to put everything in. All right, let's get started. Okay, so now I went and got out the dressings that I use. Now, keep in mind, you can use mayo with a little bit of mustard and some relish and be done with it. But for me, because my family is used to how I make it, because I make it good. So I'm going to tell y'all what I do. Okay. I don't use a lot of mustard, just like with the tuna salad. I just do a quick little drizzle. Probably not even a good tablespoon, right? But we love Miracle Whip around here. And I know some people just hate Miracle Whip, but we love it. So I put that in there. Now, this sandwich spread. Now, I only can find this in that part of town, okay? The name of the store is a Cash Saver. I think that's the name of the store. Anyway, I go over there and get it, okay? So that's that. Of course, you gotta have you some relish and mayo. That's it. I'm gonna bust this chicken down real quick. I'm gonna chop up my onion, my apple, and my hard-boiled egg. So that's it. And I'm going to show y'all how to put it all together, okay? All right, let's do it. I don't know why I like to do that. Okay. First, let's bust the chicken down. I mostly just use the breast, okay? I put a little bit of the thigh and leg in there just to kind of give it some moisture and some little extra flavor. But oh, this chicken is juicy. Okay, super juicy. So let me pour this juice. You know what? I'm gonna save this juice. That juice is going on top of the bruised food. Our puppy, he'll love that. We'll put it on his food. My hands are clean. So I'm just going to bust the chicken down. Yes, with my hands. I'm going to remove the skin. Okay, so now I'm going to wash my hands. And you guys can't see, so I'm going to bring you closer. Okay, y'all. So this is the chicken. I'm just going to chop it up, okay? No technique to it or anything. Just chop. Okay, I think that's good enough, y'all. Okay. So that's how we're looking. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in my bowl. I need to wipe my countertop back down because it is juicy. Okay, so now I'm going to chop my eggs. Okay, give that a little stir. And I'm going to show you how we looking. Yum. Okay, so now that everything is chopped and in the bowl, now we just add all of the dressings. I'm going to start with my sweet pickle relish. And I'm going to use all of this. This is probably about a half a cup left. My Miracle Whip. Okay. So that should be about a cup. All right. Mustard. And remember, oh, did y'all see that? I'm gonna have to wipe that up. Remember, about a tablespoon, y'all. Don't put too much, because mustard will make it tangy, okay? My secret ingredient. And yeah, I'm using the same spoon. It's okay, because I'm going to get it all out anyway. I'm going to say half a cup of this secret ingredient. If you don't have sandwich spread, don't worry about it. It'll still be good without it. And then mayo. So if you don't have sandwich spread, then, because I'm doing about a half a cup of mayo and a half a cup of sandwich spread, just do it to your liking. That's what I'll say, okay? Because we like ours nice and juicy to eat with crackers and on sandwiches and stuff. So y'all make it how you like it, okay? All right. Now I'm going to put some salt and pepper. And you can do the salt and pepper to your taste. gotta make sure I don't get my thing dirty because I got a little bit of stuff on my finger. Okay. Now, just mix it all together. So I used most of a rotisserie chicken. I didn't use the whole thing because I saved some scrap pieces for our dog Bruiser. But for the most part, I used most of it. Almost all of it. And yeah, this is the bomb chicken salad, okay? If you want to spice it up a little bit, you can add a little cayenne pepper to make it a little bit spicier, or you can add, sometimes I put just a little bit of jalapeno juice in it from like pickled peppers. Just a little bit, not a lot. I'm not doing it this time though. But you add as much dressing or whatever as you like to your consistency. So I'll still like it thick, but we like it juicy. Juicy. I don't know why I said it like that. Okay, but see, I whipped it up real quick, y'all. It don't take long. The most work you gotta do is chop up onion and apples or whatever you want to put in it. You can put bell pepper in and all that stuff too. I don't. Onion, apple. That's it. And of course, egg. You have to have you some boiled eggs. But that's it. Look at that. That looks good. Play with it if you want to. I'm telling y'all, it is delicious. Look. You ready? Look at that good old chicken salad. I know. It looks delightful, doesn't it? I'm going to fix me a bowl. I already know it tastes good because I done made it so much. I don't have to do no taste test or nothing. I done already tasted it. But let me taste it for y'all. I don't need to do nothing else. It's my bowl and my family. I can put the spoon back in there if I want to. I know somebody gonna say something about it. But it's my family and it's okay. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna make me some. And we're about to have lunch. Everybody about to have lunch in this house, okay? Alright, y'all. Okay. Time to taste again with the crackers. Oh, why the cracker break on me like that? You still gonna get a little cracker. It is delicious. So y'all give it a try, okay? Don't forget. I gotta say it. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. And we'll catch you on the next one. Love y'all big. Bye. What's up with the broken crackers?